Step-by-step guide to doing a TRX squat safely and effectively. 1. Adjust the TRX straps so the handles hang around mid-length, about knee to hip height. 2. Stand facing the anchor point with feet shoulder width apart. 3. Hold the handles with a light grip, palms facing each other, elbows slightly bent. 4. Walk back until there is light tension on the straps. Your arms act as support, not for pulling. Execution. 1. Starting position. Stand tall, chest lifted, shoulders back, core engaged. Feet about shoulder width, or slightly wider if more comfortable. 2. Lowering phase, squat down. Push hips back and down as if sitting into a chair. Bend your knees to about 90 degrees, or as far as mobility allows. Keep heels flat on the ground, weight balanced mid-foot to heel. Allow your arms to extend slightly forward, but don't let the straps go slack. E. Rising phase, stand up. Push through your heels, drive hips forward, and return to standing. Squeeze glutes and engage quads at the top. Use the straps only for balance, not to pull yourself up. Key tips. Keep your knees aligned with your toes. Don't let them cave inward. Maintain a neutral spine. Don't round your back. Use your legs and glutes as the main drivers, not your arms. Control the movement. Avoid bouncing at the bottom. Muscles worked. Quadriceps, front thighs. Glutes, buttocks. Hamstrings, back thighs. Core, for stability. Secondary, calves, erector spinae, lower back stabilizers. Forearms, grip support. Variations, assisted TRX squat. Use more arm support if you're new or rehabbing. Deep TRX squat. Go lower than 90 degrees if mobility allows. Single leg TRX squat, pistol squat. Advanced version with one leg extended forward. Jump squat, TRX, explosive variation for power. Check my next video.